What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. You guys know the drill. If you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea for your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type, you can find it down in my description and pick that up for yourself. There's also links for some useful items like my Ouija bit selector, my Ouija magnetic driver, and of course, some of the amazing folding knives that I talk about on this channel all the time, whether they be for size comparisons or they're just, really, actually that one's not down there. The PM2 is down there though. The Hogue Ritter's a Knifeworks exclusive. And then we've got the Kizer Doman, and we've got the Rat. There's a whole bunch of stuff down there. Whatever your itch is, it can surely be scratched with some of the amazing links down there in my description. Anyways, I know where this box came from, and I actually am pretty sure I know what it is. This came from Zach over at Zach's Stuff, an amazing channel. If you guys have never checked out Zach's Stuff, pause this video right now, stop watching, pause it, go over there, subscribe to his channel, set your notifications to all, and then come back. I promise I'll still be here. But anyways, it came from the Pass Run group, but just the last person to have it was Zach. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know exactly what this is. So let's get this out. Yep, here we go. There's his stuff. Awesome. Zach, is this a new sticker? I think this is a new sticker. Yeah, anyways, check out his channel. Awesome. Here we go. What do we have in here? I've still never handled this. Ooh, smaller. Well, I don't know. That was kind of what I was expecting. It is a little smaller than I was expecting, but thicker than I was expecting too. Is this the Fire Ant? I'm pretty sure. Where's the thing on the... Here it is, right here. The Dirk Pinkerton and Kizer Fire Ant in S35VN and titanium. Very cool. I really like the chunky little Warncliffe style of this. Nice and easy to deploy. It's got the steel lock bar insert. Cool. Dang, jimping like everywhere. It's like hinderer jimping going on with this guy. Very cool. I'm excited about this. I'm excited to kind of carry this around and play with it for a little bit and give you guys my thoughts on it. Very good looking knife for sure. Those of you who like that sort of boxy, sort of pocket razor style knife might really enjoy this. If there is a link available on Amazon affiliates, I will provide it down in the description so you guys can pick this up, or you can pick yourself up a Rainbow Mermaid or whatever you want. There's stuff down there. It's like I always say, lots and lots and lots of cool stuff down in my description for you guys to get for yourself or as gifts for other people. Anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. That was short and sweet. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.